In this video, I'll show you how to create a Shopify store step by step. First, create your Shopify account and complete the initial setup questions about your business. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the Shopify dashboard. Next, go to Settings and enter your store details, including your store name, business information, and contact details. Make sure everything is accurate before continuing. After that, choose a theme for your store. Go to the Themes section and select a design that matches your brand. Once you've chosen a theme, customize the colors, images, logo, and homepage layout. Now it's time to add products. Go to the Products section and click Add Product. Enter the product title, description, price, images, and any other important details. Repeat this process for all the products you want to sell. Next, set up your payment methods so customers can complete purchases. Follow the setup steps and choose the payment options you want to accept. After that, configure your shipping settings. Add your shipping zones, rates, and delivery options based on where you plan to sell. Now review your store and test the customer experience. Browse your products, check the navigation, and make sure everything works properly. Finally, remove any password protection if it's enabled and launch your store so customers can start visiting and placing orders. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a Shopify store step by step. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.